Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Nelson and Karen Rose, and this is an Intermediate Modern Jive Clip showing you how to do a static pretzel. Knowing how to do a standard pretzel will be really useful. Links to that in the description below, but apart from that there's no other prerequisites. So jumping straight in, the move looks like this. It goes 7 and 8. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now in a normal pretzel you have to move away from each other to make space for the arms. The space in the static pretzel is created by rotation and a little weave in the body. Okay, so let's break it down. It starts off left to right, we go semicircle back, we offer the hand. So familiar territory, it looks exactly like a normal pretzel at this point. This is where things change. We're going to go in over the lady with that left hand. The lady's reaching for the hand behind the back. We're turning to the right, fellas. The left is going over the lady, and what we're doing is we're looking for the lady over our right shoulder, taking the right hand up. We come around the lady, and the lady's not had to go anywhere. Guys, we're turning to the left. Lady keeps turning. The right goes over our head. We're turning to the left. We're looking for the lady. We're dropping the right down. We return the lady with the left and step away. If you feel like your arms are cramped, you need to lean a little bit more, but more importantly you probably need to rotate a little bit more to make space for the arms. Okay, let's do it again from the other side and think numbers. So we go semicircle back and offer 1. So the turning is going to make space here. We're going left over the lady, we're going right over the lady, we're going right over the guy, we're going left over the lady and stepping back. 1 count for each of those bits, so 6 counts in total. Let's see if it works. Here we go. 5, 6, a static pretzel. It's offer. Left up, right up, guys, ladies, and we're done. Simple as that. There are occasions when getting past each other is a little bit difficult on the dance floor. This means you can still do your pretzel even if you can't slide past each other. Do like, subscribe and hit the notification bell. Liking promotes the move, subscribing promotes the channel. Hooray to everyone who does that. And hitting the notification bell means you get told every time a new video comes out so you never miss anything. Music recommendation on the end, one of the windows that comes up is a link to a music video which would be good to do this to. And as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you have enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.